Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know we love making money here. But today, we're talking about getting rich. I'm talking about the quickest ways to make money online using the power of AI. That's right, artificial intelligence isn't just some sci-fi movie thing anymore, it's your golden ticket to a mountain of cash. And don't worry, you don't need to be a tech genius to understand this stuff. We're breaking it down step by step with all the tools and tricks you need to start stacking that digital dough. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to unlock the secrets of AI money making because this is about to be epic. Alright, first up, we're talking about selling AI-generated content. Now you might be thinking, Mr. Beast, I can't draw a stick figure. And guess what? That doesn't matter. With AI, you don't need to be Picasso to create awesome stuff. We're talking about using AI tools like Jasper, ChatGPT, Canva AI, or Midjourney to whip up some seriously impressive content. Think about it, written content, killer graphics, mind-blowing designs, AI can do it all. And the best part? You can sell this stuff online and make bank. Platforms like Fiverr, Etsy, and Shutterstock are overflowing with hungry customers looking for unique content. You create it, they buy it, boom, profit. It's that simple. Alright, moving on to our next money-making method, faceless YouTube videos. Now I know what you're thinking, Mr. Beast, I hate being on camera, and guess what? You don't have to be. That's the beauty of this method, you can literally be a voice behind the scenes, raking in the views and the cash, without ever having to show your face. How cool is that? And the best part? AI is here to do the heavy lifting for you. We're talking about using awesome AI tools like Pictory, Murph, and InVideo to generate scripts, create stunning visuals, and even get realistic voiceovers, all without you lifting a finger. Alright guys, imagine this, you're scrolling through Etsy, right? You see someone selling resume templates for like 20 bucks a pop, and they're making bank. But here's the kicker, they're probably using AI to do half the work. That's right, AI can crank out professional-looking templates for resumes, invoices, presentations, you name it. And the best part? You don't need any design skills. Just feed the AI some keywords, maybe a few examples for style, and boom, you've got a template ready to sell. We're talking Canva AI, ChatGPT, these tools are like having a design team at your fingertips. It's insane! Yo, you know I love dropshipping, right? It's like the ultimate side hustle. But imagine this, you could be using AI to supercharge your dropshipping game. We're talking about finding winning products, writing killer ad copy, and targeting the perfect customers, all with the power of AI. Forget spending hours on product research, tools like Sell the Trend will do it for you. They analyze millions of data points to find products that are about to blow up. It's like having a crystal ball that tells you what's going to be the next fidget spinner. Alright guys, let's talk about making bank with AI, but like seriously making bank. Forget selling lemonade, we're talking high-ticket freelancing gigs. The world has gone AI crazy, and everyone needs a piece of the action. Businesses are desperate for people who can wield these AI tools like magic wands. That's where you come in, my friend. You're about to become the AI whisperer, the chatbot champion, the data analyzing ninja. Think about it. You could be building chatbots for websites, generating killer content for blogs, or even analyzing data to help companies make smarter decisions. Alright guys, buckle up because we're diving into the world of AI trading bots. These little marvels of technology are revolutionizing the way we think about investing and trading in the stock market. Gone are the days when you had to be glued to your computer screen, analyzing charts and making split-second decisions. Now, with the power of artificial intelligence, you can let these bots do the heavy lifting for you. Imagine this, you're chilling, maybe eating some of these delicious feastables and your money is making itself. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with AI trading bots, this dream can become a reality. These bots are designed to work tirelessly, monitoring the markets and executing trades on your behalf. You can sit back, relax, and watch your investments grow without having to constantly check your portfolio. That's the dream, right? Well, AI trading bots are like little robots that trade for you 24/7. They never sleep, they never take breaks, and they are always on the lookout for the best trading opportunities. These bots use advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make informed decisions. It's like having a team of expert traders working for you around the clock. They use fancy algorithms to analyze markets, spot trends, and make buy or sell decisions, all without you lifting a finger. These algorithms are designed to process information at lightning speed, far faster than any human could. They can analyze historical data, current market conditions, and even news events to predict future price movements. This allows them to make trades with precision and accuracy, maximizing your potential profits. It's like having your own personal stockbroker, but way cooler. Traditional stockbrokers can be expensive and may not always have your best interests at heart, but with AI trading bots, you get the benefits of expert trading advice without the high fees. Plus, these bots are completely objective and unemotional, making decisions based solely on data and logic. This can help you avoid the pitfalls of emotional trading and make more rational investment choices. Now, I'm not saying it's a guaranteed way to get rich quick. While AI trading bots can be incredibly powerful tools, they are not infallible. The stock market is inherently unpredictable, and even the most sophisticated algorithms can't predict every market movement. There will always be risks involved, and it's important to understand that you can still lose money. However, by using these bots, you can potentially reduce your risk and increase your chances of success. Remember, the stock market can be unpredictable, even for AI. There are countless factors that can influence market movements, from economic data releases to geopolitical events. AI trading bots are designed to adapt to changing conditions, but they are not immune to sudden market shocks. It's important to use these tools as part of a broader investment strategy and not rely on them entirely. Diversification and risk management are key to long-term success in the stock market, but using bots can be a game changer for simplifying your investments and potentially boosting your returns. By automating the trading process, you can save time and reduce stress. You can also take advantage of opportunities that you might have otherwise missed. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete beginner, AI trading bots can help you navigate the complexities of the stock market and achieve your financial goals. We'll be diving into the nitty-gritty of how these bots work and what to look out for in the coming sections. We'll explore the different types of AI trading bots, how they are developed, and the various strategies they use. We'll also discuss the potential risks and rewards and provide tips on how to choose the right bot for your needs. So stay tuned, because there's a lot more to learn about this exciting technology. Alright guys, affiliate marketing, it's a term that's been buzzing around for quite some time now, and for good reason. But what exactly does it mean? Let's dive deep into the world of affiliate marketing and uncover its secrets. You've probably heard of it, but what is it exactly? At its core, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where businesses reward affiliates for driving traffic or sales to their products or services. Think of it as a modern-day referral program, but with a digital twist. Basically, it's like being a super enthusiastic friend who recommends awesome products. Imagine you found a fantastic gadget that you absolutely love. Naturally, you'd want to share it with your friends and family. In affiliate marketing, you do just that, but with a special link that tracks your referrals. You find a product you love, tell people about it, and if they buy it through your special link, boom, you get a commission. It's a win-win situation. The company gets a sale, and you get a reward for your recommendation. But there's more to it than just sharing links. It's like getting paid to share cool stuff. But how do you get started? First, you need to join an affiliate program. Many companies, from Amazon to niche-specific brands, offer affiliate programs. Once you sign up, you'll get access to unique affiliate links and marketing materials. Now, where does AI come in? In today's digital age, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we approach affiliate marketing. AI can help streamline your efforts, making it easier to create content, analyze data, and optimize your strategies. Well, imagine writing blog posts, emails, or even making videos about all those products you want to recommend. Creating engaging content consistently can be challenging, especially if you're juggling multiple products or niches. This is where AI tools come into play. Sounds like a lot of work, right? Crafting compelling content, optimizing it for search engines, and ensuring it reaches the right audience can be overwhelming, but don't worry because AI is here to lighten the load. That's where AI swoops in to save the day. AI-powered tools can assist in generating high-quality content, analyzing market trends, and even predicting which products will perform best. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. We're talking about AI tools like Jasper, Surfer SEO, and WriteSonic, my friends. These platforms can help you craft engaging blog posts, optimize your content for search engines, and even generate catchy email campaigns. The possibilities are endless. These AI powerhouses can help you create killer content that attracts more people to your affiliate links. And the best part? They can do it in a fraction of the time it would take you manually. Imagine having a blog post ready in minutes instead of hours. You don't have to be a writing wizard or a tech genius to use them. These tools are designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to get started. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a complete newbie, AI can give you the edge you need. It's like having a team of marketing ninjas working behind the scenes 24/7. They handle the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on what you do best, connecting with your audience and sharing products you believe in. So, how long until you're rolling in those sweet affiliate commissions? Well, it depends on your strategy and effort. Some affiliates see results within weeks, while others might take a few months. The key is consistency and leveraging the right tools. With the right SEO magic or some well-placed ads, you can start seeing those earnings roll in within weeks. SEO helps your content rank higher on search engines, driving organic traffic to your affiliate links. Paid ads, on the other hand, can give you an immediate boost. It's all about getting your content in front of the right people, and AI can help you do just that. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, AI can suggest the best times to post, the most effective keywords to use, and even the type of content that resonates most with your audience. Engaging with your audience is crucial. Respond to comments, answer questions, and build a community around your content. The more trust you build, the more likely people are to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. Continuous learning is also essential. The digital landscape is always evolving, and staying updated with the latest trends and strategies can give you a competitive edge. Attend webinars, read ebooks, and join affiliate marketing communities to stay in the loop. Setting clear goals and planning your content strategy can make a significant difference. Outline what you want to achieve, whether it's a specific number of sales, a target audience size, or a particular income level. Having a roadmap keeps you focused and motivated. And remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to adapt. Celebrate your milestones no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. With the right approach and tools, the sky's the limit. Alright guys, let's talk about mini courses. These little gems are revolutionizing the way we learn and share knowledge online. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone with a passion for a particular subject, mini courses can be a game changer. Now you might be thinking, Mr. Beast, what's so special about a mini course? Well, let me break it down for you. Mini courses are designed to be concise and focused, delivering key information in a short amount of time. This makes them perfect for people who want to learn something new without committing to a long-term course. Well, my friends, mini courses are like the superheroes of online learning. They swoop in, save the day, and leave you feeling empowered and knowledgeable. Imagine having the ability to learn a new skill or gain valuable insights in just a few hours. That's the magic of mini courses. They're short, sweet, and packed with valuable information. You get straight to the point without any fluff or filler. This means you can maximize your learning efficiency and get the most out of your time. Think about it. People are busy. We all have hectic schedules and limited time. Whether you're juggling work, family, or other commitments, finding time to learn something new can be challenging. That's where mini courses come in. They don't always have time to commit to a massive online course that takes weeks or even months to complete. But a mini course, that's a different story. With mini courses, you can fit learning into your busy life without feeling overwhelmed. That's something they can easily digest in a few hours or even a few days. It's like having a quick, nutritious snack instead of a full-course meal. You get the essential nutrients without the heavy commitment. It's all about delivering bite-sized knowledge that gets straight to the point. And the best part, You can tailor these mini courses to suit your specific needs and interests. Whether you're looking to improve your professional skills, explore a new hobby, or simply satisfy your curiosity, there's a mini course out there for you. You can create mini courses on practically any topic you can imagine. From cooking and photography to coding and digital marketing, the possibilities are endless. This means you can find a mini course that aligns perfectly with your interests and goals. Are you a whiz at using a certain AI tool, or maybe you have a unique approach to solving a common problem? Share your knowledge in a mini course. By doing so, you not only help others but also establish yourself as an expert in your field. Share your knowledge in a mini course. The process of creating a mini course can be incredibly rewarding. It allows you to organize your thoughts, refine your understanding of the subject, and present it in a way that's accessible and engaging for others. Do you have a knack for photography or graphic design? Teach others your secrets. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is, you don't need to be a professional educator to create a mini course. All you need is a passion for your subject and a willingness to share your knowledge. And here's the kicker: creating and selling mini courses can be incredibly lucrative. With the right approach, you can turn your knowledge and expertise into a steady stream of income. People are willing to pay for high-quality, valuable content that helps them achieve their goals. People are always looking for ways to learn new skills and improve themselves. In today's fast-paced world, continuous learning is essential for personal and professional growth. Mini courses provide a convenient and effective way to acquire new knowledge and skills. And when you can offer them a high-quality mini course that delivers real value, they'll be more than happy to pay for it. Positive reviews and word-of-mouth recommendations can help your mini course reach a wider audience, increasing your impact and potential earnings. So, if you have a passion, a skill, or a unique perspective, consider creating a mini course. It's a fantastic way to share your knowledge, help others, and even make some money in the process. The power of mini courses lies in their ability to make learning accessible, efficient, and enjoyable for everyone. Remember, the world is full of people eager to learn and grow. By creating a mini course, you can play a part in their journey of self-improvement and success. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your mini course today and unleash the power of bite-sized learning. And there you have it, folks. 8 quick ways to make money online using AI. From selling AI-generated content to launching your own AI-powered mini-course empire, the possibilities are endless. Remember, the future is here, and it's powered by AI technology. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start building your online income streams today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video, everyone.